Hello everyone. Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform and academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manu Vedam 72. Let's crack 10th CBSE by using the referral code VM CBSE. Let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code PMPSC. Okay. Here it is a super short introduction about me. Crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform, that is Unacademy. If you take the subscription, then only you will get. If you take the plus subscription, then only you can access all the unlimited live and recorded courses. Yes, best educators. For that, you need to take the subscription. What are the benefits if you take the subscription? You will get daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. So when you are applying my code, I am going to give you a 10% of gift as instant reduction. Okay, then 1 month course will be 2,250 rupees. 6 months it is 9,000 rupees. 12 months it is 13,500 rupees. 24 months it is 2,500 rupees. 36 months it is 28,800 rupees. So just these three are the best of the best options when you are in class 9th or 10th. So just go for it. Speak to your parents. It is the right time to decide your success journey. Okay, so how you will go along with Unacademy, along with your classes, everything. If you do, you are going to definitely whatever your goal is fixed, that you are going. So this student has used my code. This student has used my code VMCBSE, and now he is ready to write the NEET exam. NEET exam he is going to write. Okay, so just wish him all the best. By wishing him all the best and by wishing you all the best, today I came with a very good small motivational video how to avoid mistakes. Okay, mistakes and how to avoid this negative marking. Okay, that I'm going to tell him and you all also. Okay, so daily live classes, free classes, you all are attending special classes in the app. So now it's time to learn the live classes with us, all the best educators, top educators. So these are few of the best and top educators. More than 150 educators are there who are going to teach in this platform. Those who are India's best of the best educators, those all are. So those all India's best educators are going to teach you the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. Telegram app also we are in connect. You have to type this link in the URL, that is Quest 10 CBSE, so that you will get all the updates there. So CBSE for CBSE class 10th you have to, is the goal you have to choose. Before that you have to Unacademy learning app you need to install from your Play Store or Google Store. Then you have to go for CBSE class 10. Then you have to take the subscription by using the code VM, like a mantra you just remember, and go for subscription. Avoid negative marking in NEET, that is today's agenda. So till now I have made so many small tiny videos which are going to help you a lot. Most of the children are watching that, like it, that I thank you for all. I thank you all for that. So now it is the final stage where you are only 4 days are left. Today is Thursday. Okay, Friday, Saturday, 2 days only left. And by Friday you must be completely finished. Saturday you just relax yourself and get ready for the exam. Don't keep in the mind that I am not going to do mistakes. That word mistake word only you just remove from your mindset. Just do right. Okay, right. Just tell I'm going to do everything right. Okay. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा प्रैक्टिस किया, बहुत सारा पढ़ाई कर लिया, 3 साल से 4 साल से बहुत सारे बच्चे पढ़ रहे थे। तो अभी कोई भी नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए। Whatever you are speaking, whatever the act you are doing, everything must represent the positivity. Okay, everything must represent the positivity. So that's why I think do right. I'm going to do everything right. So in that positive tone only you must be in the last 2 3 stages, because you must not think that no, Arey, I should not do mistake. Mistake is a negative word. So don't use such words. Always be positive, 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 positive. That positive energy will give you success definitely. Because here quality matters, not the quantity. Yes or no? So quality, you can give the quality content, whatever the question paper they will give. So you can give the quality only by being calm, only by being positive. Okay, so few tips I am going to tell you, so that you can avoid these all negative markings and all in the NEET. So here is the first one. Avoid guessing. So just I'm going to tell all this, so then I'll speak out regarding. So tips to reduce negative marking in the exam: avoid guessing, avoid overwriting. Okay, on that you if you are not bubbling it properly and all that also will lead to some problems. So read the question carefully, make full concentration, try avoiding answering questions at the last minute. Attempt easier questions first. This is the first thing which you need to remember. And always keep yourself calm and confident. Always you keep calm and confident no matter whichever exam you are attempting. Now your turn is to write NEET exam. When you are writing this NEET exam, no, make sure yourself that you are going to be attempt it with a positive note. When you are writing this NEET, which exam your people are writing? 2 days after NEET 2020. So this exam when you are writing, so be confident. How to solve this in the physics chemistry bio must be solved. आप लोग सोचेंगे कि 3 hours का एग्जाम है, the exam is for 3 hours, so each subject I can divide for one mark. No, it is not like that. First you write on bio, then chemistry, then physics, then go for physics, because here the bio you can finish off within 45 minutes. 45 minutes you try to finish off, then remaining you give for calculations and all. Here physics and physical chemistry, these all things are filled with calculation. So make sure that you are not going to lose your concentration. Make sure that you are not going to forget any formulas or anything. Till now you have prepared so much you have prepared. So avoid guessing, no guesswork. Okay, no guesswork. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully, because बहुत सारे questions में देखते हैं which one is not correct. Not correct. If it is given as not correct, आप लोग ये not पढ़ना भूल जाते हो, correct को देख के correct answer देते, so that will lose the mark. If you are getting some marks, there is a negative marking also, so those negative marking will influence a lot. किसी भी क्वेश्चन को आप उतना इजी मत लो. रीड ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ट्वाइस. ओके, सो उसमें से जस्ट एट ए ग्लांस देख लो पूरा. ओके, you have to complete the whole paper in 2 attempts. You have to give how many attempts? 2 attempts. Okay, so within once you just go through complete question paper, once you go through at a glance, and try to filter the easy questions, whichever questions you feel very easy. So those all questions, just first in the first round you try to finish off all the easy questions. All the easy questions, when you filter, little difficult part questions are there. So it is not mentioned anywhere that all out of marks only you should get. सारे क्वेश्चंस राइट होना है ऐसा कहीं नहीं, क्योंकि नेगेटिव मार्किंग है ना, बहुत कम ही वैसे अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. सो यू जस्ट गो फॉर राइट आंसर. यू जस्ट गो फॉर राइट आंसर. कितने करेक्ट आंसर्स आप दे सकते हो. देखिए यहाँ क्वेश्चन पेपर में भी पॉजिटिविटी है, नेगेटिव मार्किंग जो है अवॉइड नेगेटिव मार्किंग, वो नेगेटिव को छोड़ दो, नेगेटिव हमें नहीं चाहिए, हमें जितना भी चाहिए पॉजिटिव मार्क्स चाहिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा करेक्ट आंसर्स चाहिए। तो इसके लिए क्या करना, बायो यू कैन सॉल्व इट, यू हैव टू फिल्टर द ऑप्शंस, जितने भी 4 ऑप्शंस देते हैं सारे ऑप्शंस के बारे में आपको नॉलेज रहना चाहिए। पहले previous videos I have done how to read physics, how to do chemistry, how to do bio and all, each and every option which is given उस ऑप्शन के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए। इसके लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आप करो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आपको सॉल्व करना था। अभी सब कुछ कर लिया आप लोगों ने, से नाउ यू आर रेडी टू अटेम्प्ट द एग्जाम। so be positive, read out whole question paper properly, in a one round only you just try to find out which are easy which you can solve। तो ओके, पहली बार में वो राउंड हो जाएगा। उसके बाद जो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस है आपको क्या करना है, you people generally what you do, you just mark the answers in the question paper and forget to fill the bubbling and all, okay, so that you have to avoid, because when you are marking the answer in the question paper, immediately bubbling, light bubbling you do, okay, so that your answers will not go wrong। suppose this is first question, second question, third question, ऐसे 3-4 questions आप लोगों ने पढ़ा, ये चारों क्वेश्चंस आपने करेक्ट कर लिया, आपका 5th 6th 7th क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं आता है, 8th क्वेश्चन आपको आता है। so what you will do, bubbling here, instead of doing in the 8th question you will go and do for the 5th one, क्योंकि 5th वाला खाली रह गया, 5th one is empty, you have not answered there, so what you will do, you will go and bubble it। so इसलिए आपको क्या करना है कि जब भी when you have read the question, immediately you answer in the bubbling part, so that you will be clear with that work is done। तो लास्ट में आपको 10 minutes या 15 minutes आपको बचाना है at the end of the exam, so that 15 minutes you have to spend the questions which were left, you just go through once, don't guess, no guessing, nothing, थोड़ा सा आपको सोचने से आपको आ जाएगा, सारे बबलिंग आप लोगों ने किया कि नहीं ठीक से, सब कुछ आपको आएगा। इन द फर्स्ट राउंड इजी क्वेश्चंस आपको करना है, नो गेस वर्क्स, अवॉइड आंसरिंग इन द लास्ट मिनट, लास्ट मिनट में आपको कोई भी आंसर नहीं करना है, एक बार पूरा पेपर आप लोग पढ़ लो, whether you have done it properly or not। बहुत सारे because repeatedly you have done, so बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको जो आते हैं वही देते हैं, उसी में से आप लोग मिस्टेक भी करते हैं, क्योंकि बाहर आने के बाद आई हैव डन अ मिस्टेक हियर, मुझे तो ये आता था, मैंने क्यों गलत किया, ये सारे जो नेगेटिव थिंग्स होते हैं वो सब कुछ अभी सोचने का नहीं। एग्जाम के बाद भी, एग्जाम जब आप जा रहे हो हॉल में be confident that you are going to solve everything properly, because quality matters not quantity, first itself I said। तो ये quantity negative marking में चला जाएगा, quality जो आपका correct answers है, where you are confident, those confident answers only to solve। don't attempt all questions, you fix some number in the mind कि कितना मार्क्स आपको आना है, मार्क्स के हिसाब से ही आपको सॉल्व करना है, ओके। सो डोंट गो फॉर एनी एक्स्ट्रा थॉट्स और एनी अदर थिंग, रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली ट्वाइस, 2 बार आपको पढ़ना है, 2 times you read the question, okay, 2 times if you read, so whatever the things were given, everything it will be solved very nicely। already we are doing physics sessions every day, my class is at 5 o'clock, Rijan sir is at 4 o'clock, he is taking, and Mayank sir is taking at 6 o'clock। so physics videos we are doing, so all the physics numericals, all the physics sums we are doing, just go for it, that is also a very good help for you in the last minute। एक बार पूरा क्वेश्चंस देख लो कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, and mostly previous year questions and all whichever you have already solved, just go for it, because repeatedly few questions will get, okay। first आपको क्या करना है, फिजिक्स में रिव्यू द कैलकुलेशंस, चेक रिव्यू द कैलकुलेशंस में आपको ध्यान देना है, क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन में ही आप लोग ज़्यादा रिस्क लेते हो, ज़्यादा मिस्टेक्स करते हो। पहले आपको फिजिक्स करना है, उसके बाद फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री करना है, ओके। कैलकुलेशन में भी फिजिक्स पहले करो, उसके बाद फिजिकल कैलकुलेशन, ओके। so what are the tips to reduce negative marking? Avoid guessing, avoid overwriting, read the questions carefully, make full concentration, calculated risk only, try avoiding answering questions at the last minute, attempt easier questions first, and always keep yourself calm and confident no matter whichever exam you are appearing for. NEET is not a big deal, maybe if you have prepared completely, If you are prepared completely, be confident that that is not a very big exam. Definitely you are going to solve, because 3 साल की मेहनत है बच्चों, 3 या 4 साल से। बहुत सारे बच्चों का टारगेट होता है नीट, 9th क्लास 10th 11th 12th, 4 साल से आप लोग पढ़ रहे हो, आपको तो बहुत कुछ आता है कि नहीं? सो इसलिए बी कॉन्फिडेंट, डोंट लूज योर होप, आप लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से करोगे। बायो में यू कैन सॉल्व इट इजीली। बहुत बार many times I am finding the question is solved, answers are more, some questions are very big, avoid don't go for very big questions। अगर बाद में टाइम हो पढ़ो, if you know then only solve, okay? Don't take any risk, just try to avoid the mistakes, read out the question carefully twice or times। फिजिक्स का जो भी सम्स होता है कैलकुलेशन का, या फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का जो भी कैलकुलेशन रहता है, क्वेश्चन के बगल में जितना छोटा सा भी प्लेस हो उसी में पूरा सम करो। कैलकुलेशन बाद में देखते हैं, वैसा हाफ ऑफ मत करो, डोंट डू लाइक दैट हाफ ऑफ, कंप्लीट सम in that small place only। It is in between the options, in between the question and options, you will get this small place, or else this like this small place, here only you finish off complete sum, try to solve complete one here। वो बाद में प्रीव्यू करते हैं, वो सब नहीं, no preview nothing, so try to finish off then and there itself each and every question, okay? So wish you all the best। Your target is, what is your target? NEET 2020, get seat in best college, okay? All the best my dear children। पढ़ो बहुत अच्छी तरह से, अभी तक बहुत कुछ आप लोगों ने पढ़ लिया, सभी घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, you just go for it, okay? And rock, okay? When you are entering into the classroom also be confident that आज कुछ करेंगे, okay? है कि नहीं? Start your day with the determination and go to bed with the satisfaction that आज कुछ सीखा कि नहीं, तो आज कुछ करेंगे, उस हिम्मत से आप लोग जाओ क्लासरूम में एंड गिव योर बेस्ट। जितना पढ़ा है गिव योर बेस्ट, सो यू आर गोइंग टू रॉक, आई नो दैट। तो जितना, जस्ट लाइक द सेशन, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, बी पॉजिटिव, ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव, कुछ भी नेगेटिव नहीं रहना चाहिए, ऑलवेज बी, ओके? जब आपको रैंक आ जाएगा ना, मेरे वीडियो के कमेंट के नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर देना कि आपको रैंक आया है, ओके? आई विल बी द हैप्पीएस्ट वन टू लिसन दैट, ओके? थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल। तो आपने अनअकैडमी का ऐप, अब 9th 10th के बच्चों को ऐप अगर नहीं डाउनलोड किया तो अभी डाउनलोड कर लो। डाउनलोड करने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, VM CBSE यूज़ करके CBSE क्लास 10 गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन by using the code VM CBSE, ओके? केवल आपके लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन है ये तीनों, जस्ट गो फॉर इट, यूज द कोड VM CBSE, ओके? थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल, थैंक यू and all the best, okay? Bye bye, take care।